Are you passionate about the environment and want to make a difference? Do you want to know which areas of ecological research are most important for emerging researchers to focus on? Over the course of the next 4 minutes, I will be discussing 2 critical reports which do just that, so please keep watching. Now, the beauty of our planet is unparalleled. From the tops of our mountains to the depths of our oceans, we are surrounded by a natural world that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. But this beauty is under threat. Climate change, habitat loss and pollution are just a few of the challenges facing our planet today. And it's up to us to take action to protect it. The British Ecological Society Funding for Ecology report highlights the vital importance of funding for ecological research and conservation efforts. The report outlines the current state of funding for ecology in the UK and identifies the key challenges facing ecologists in securing funding for their work. One of the key findings of the report is that there is a significant funding gap for ecological research, with many ecologists struggling to secure the necessary funding to carry out their work. This is particularly concerning given the urgent need for ecological research in the face of climate change and other environmental challenges. The report also highlights the need for greater collaboration between ecologists and other stakeholders such as policymakers and industry leaders. By working together, we can ensure that ecological research and conservation efforts are given the support they need to be successful. Further to this, the report also makes clear that funding for ecology is not just important for the environment, but it's also beneficial for the wider economy. Ecological research and conservation efforts can provide valuable insights into how we better manage our natural resources and support sustainable economic growth. The second report, the Future of Ecological Research report, sheds light on the most important areas of ecological research for emerging researchers to investigate. The report identifies 3 major areas of research that are particularly important. First, we must understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change on the ecosystems. With the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events and rising global temperatures, it is more important than ever to understand the ecological impacts of climate change and to find ways to mitigate its impact. Second, we must focus on conserving and restoring biodiversity. With the rapid loss of species and habitats around the world, it is critical that we understand the ecological processes that underpin the functioning of ecosystems and develop strategies to protect and restore them. Finally, we must investigate the interactions between humans and our environment. Human activities have a profound impact on the environment, and it is essential that we understand these interactions in order to develop sustainable solutions for our future. As emerging researchers, it is important to focus on these key areas of ecological research to tackle the pressing environmental issues of our time. By committing to this research, we can make a real difference in protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future for us all. So whether you are a student, a researcher, or simply just interested in the environment, join us in this important mission to create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Together we can make a difference to protect the natural world that surrounds us.